Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today Nama Audi A4 Oda review Pakalam. First engine and transmission Pathe Pakalam. Engine type Pathing and a 2.0 LTFSI petrol engine. Engine displacement 1998 cubic centimeters. Motor type Pathing and a 12B mild hybrid. Fuel type Pathing and a petrol. Max power output Pathing and at around 187.74 bhp at 4200-6000. Max torque Pathing and a 320 Nm at 1450, 4200. Emission norm BS6. No of cylinders 4. Transmission automatic. Gearbox 7-speed Stronic. Drive type FWD paddle shift not available in A4. Curb weight Pathing and a 1550 kilograms. Next performance and fuel economy Pathe Pakalam. Mileage, Array, 17.42 kmpl. Top speed 241 km per hour. 0 to 100 kmph 7.3 seconds. Next brakes, steering, suspension and tires Pathe Pakalam. Steering type electric Kuda Thurakanga. Tire size 225/50. Wheel size R17. Alloy wheel size 17. Tire type Pathing and a tubeless radial. Next interior dimensions Pathe Pakalam. Seating capacity 5. Doors 4. Boot space 460 liters. Fuel capacity 54 liters. Next variants and price tag Pathe Pakalam Premium Plus variant Pathing and a around 43.19 rupees lakh. Technology variant Pathing and a around 47.61 rupees lakh. Next walk around view Pakalam. Next interior view Pakalam. This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you. Save trees, save motoring.